everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY with Indrani. So today I will be doing this Netaji's portrait with oil pastel. So first I have taken a beautiful picture. Now I have made some grids on top of this picture with the help of grid app. You can see I have made the numbers. Now with the help of this grid and the number, I will draw this portrait of Netaji. So this is the picture. Now let's start today's drawing. Now I have already made some markings over here. Let's start on this part also. So let's secure this paper so it doesn't move while I am marking over here. So 1.4 centimeter is each boxes. So you have to multiply, use your calculator, multiply each boxes like 1.4 centimeter into 1, then 2, then 3. So it's coming like 1.4, then 2.8. So it is going on like this, and then mark from top to bottom, and then you know how to make the grid. Then mark 1 2 3 4 till 15 because we have 15 rows. I made 16 because one was extra. Now I have taken art paper. Now many of you have asked me every time when I am drawing what type of paper I use. I use the normal art paper that is sold in every art shops, stationery shops. It costs 10 to 15 rupees, not more than that. It's very affordable, good for oil pastel for beginners. Now I have started the drawing of Netaji. As you can see, with the help of the grid and the numbers, number is also important so that you can create it easily. Slowly you have to see the drawing on the phone and then you have to create the drawing. I have fastened the speed. You can also slow down, go to the settings of the YouTube, and then you can slow it to recreate this drawing. First I thought I will be doing it in pencil shading. That's why you will see I have done little bit of shading with my mechanical pencil. Then I realized I'm not doing it with pencil shading. I will be doing it with oil pastel, one of my most favorite medium, and you guys also like this medium too. So you can see first you have to make the outline sketch very slowly. This is very important thing, and before it the grid also very important. Once the grid is formed nicely, then you can draw it. It will be easier for you to do any portrait. Now why I am doing it grid style, because I usually don't do any drawing in grid method, as this is portrait of our famous freedom fighter and I don't usually draw this type of portraits. So I made it in grid style so that you guys also can recreate this drawing. Otherwise you will see in my every video that I am using my free hand to teach you. So you can also do a little bit of shading as I am doing, but you can also skip this part because after this you also have to rub. Rubbing is very important after drawing, because when you are putting your oil pastel color on the graphite, then all will become very black and you will ruin your entire drawing. So erasing all the lines is very crucial in this step. But if you want to make a sketching only, then you are good to go. As you can see, I have erased all the lines and then started with the coloring. I am going from dark to light shade. First I thought I will be giving brown, then I have given orange color. So first we will use orange. This is the normal orange color, not vermilion. In all the parts that I am doing, slowly do. After orange we will be doing it with brown color. So as you can see how I am doing the face area, very lightly, not too deep, not too light. Whenever you are coloring, make sure the tip of the color is clean. Use any cloth to clean the tip of the color so that any other color doesn't stick on top of it. Now I am using the brown color, the normal brown color. I am giving little bit of shade. Now as I am going from dark to light shade, so I have to give it brown at first, but unfortunately I have given orange at first. Then I realized, brown is darker than orange, so brown have to be on the first. Watch the process, enjoy the background music with it, and also if you want to recreate this drawing, all the shades names are given on the screen so that you feel easier to choose. You don't have to listen to my voice again and again.